How to change text color in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change text color in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, you'll need to create a new project or you can simply choose from the recent designs as well. So after you choose a project or after you're on a project, let's just type in a text. To do that, tap on this text area right here, then tap on add a text box. Then you can start typing in whatever you want. Well, after you type in whatever you want, you can then place it somewhere as well. So just place it here, increase the size so it's clear for you guys. And there we go. Now, after you've done that, to change the text color, you'll find this option called text color right above here. All you have to do is select this text first, then tap on the text color, then select the text. So uh, after here, you can simply search for colors. You can use different palettes as well. So I'll just tap on this bright red. And after doing that, the color has been changed. Again, if you want to change the color, just do the same process and it's that simple. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more. Bye bye. Take care.